Hey guys, so we're working today on a 2017 Kia Sorento GDI, and the reason why we're doing a video on this one is because when it came in, they told us it would need H7s, and once we actually opened it up, we found out it actually uses an H11 for the low beams and an H7 for the high beams. So in case you have this type of model, make sure you always pull out your original bulb and find out exactly what you need, because it could be confusing. We checked our books and it also showed this vehicle with an H7 for the low beams and highs. So make sure you check before you order these so you know what you're getting, all right? So let's get to it. We're gonna show you how to install the LS Plus H11s into the low beams and change these OEM halogens. So first things first, make sure your power's off, don't have your headlights on, make sure you switch that to off. And then the next thing you're gonna do is remove these covers that protect your interior. And then you're gonna reach for your bulb, which is actually here. What I recommend first is unclipping the cable. It's a 2-clip style, so you just press these outer clips, 1, 2, just press them inwards and it'll just slide out. And at this point, you can counterclockwise to remove the bulb. Okay, just like that. And now we're gonna go get our LS Plus H11s and install those. These come in a 2-piece design, so make sure when you install these that you want to match the 2 indicators in case they're not already plugged in when you receive these. Once you get this installed, you should be able to just plug them in and go and proceed with the installation. So you're just gonna lock this, make sure it's locked. Quick tip to make this easier: the center tab, the biggest one, is going to be pointing down. Okay, so let's get in here. Always double check just to be safe. And another thing while I'm at here, make sure this slope goes down and not up like this, okay? So make sure it is like that. We're gonna get our connectors. Due to the plugs on this vehicle being both color-coded yellow, it's a little bit tricky to figure out what it is. So what I normally do, I put it in halfway, light it up. If it turns on, then I finish putting it in. If it doesn't, then we just disconnect and flip it over. So luckily, I got it on the first try. So I'm just gonna finish plugging that in and it's done. So at this point, what you're gonna do is continue onto the other side and do the same procedure. There's plenty of room in your headlight so you can tuck everything in there nicely. And put your gas back on. And just like that, guys, you complete the installation. This vehicle is done. So as you can see, it's very simple, very quick to do. So if you guys have any questions or concerns, please let us know. We'll be more than happy to help you out. And remember, again, make sure you check your vehicle before you order the lights, because this one showed in our system as an H7 for both low and high, and it ended up having an H11 in the lows and then H7 on the highs. And I believe there's also a model of these Sorentos that comes with an H11B. So guys, make sure you check, okay? And we'll catch you in the next video.